Alif and Fatha both have the same sound, a, a, just like A in English. But what is the difference between them? Are you also confused? Let's come with me in this video. I will tell you what is the difference. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started learning similar sounding Arabic letters. Why we are learning similar sounding Arabic letters? Because it makes a big difference. No matter whatever the vocabulary you know about Arabic, but if you do not know how to pronounce it correctly, and but if you do not know what the difference it make when we are confusing between similar sounding letters, it's matter nothing. It's all in vain. In this video, I will teach you difference between the alif and the and alif and the fatha. Alif and fatha both have a phonics just like in English, but actually alif is a letter and fatha is a sign in Arabic. Fatha can be over any letter. Alif can even also can fatha, but if alif carries a fatha, it is no more alif, then it converts into hamza, which I teach you already in my series of Arabic letters, as also in my another video of similar sounding Arabic letters. You can watch the link in the description, and also in the I button you can find the link. But alif, and if alif and fatha both have a sound, then what is the difference? The difference is alif make a little long sound, you can say a long vowel, ah, and fatha make a short vowel, ah. For example, if it's over ain, it's ain zabar a, ain zabar a, but alif comes with ain, alif a, it's just like two A sound long vowel, single A sound short vowel. I have write some examples over there. You can read the example after me so you can learn the difference. Let's move toward the first word. It's alim. Alim. Ain and alif. Alam. Ain with zabar. Alam. Alam. Alam mean world. And alam mean flag. You see, this is a difference. If we do not make a difference between these two sounds, and while writing we do not make the difference, the big difference in the meanings can be world, alam, flag, katab, kaf, alif, katab, to correspond. To correspond, katab, 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 to write. To write. Katab. Jamal. When Jim and Meme have the alif. Jamal. Beauty. Jamal. When Meme have only Zabar. Fatha. Jamal. Camel. Zahab. When Ha have alif. Zahab. Departure. Zahaba. Gold. Matar. Ta have alif. Matar. Airport. Matar. Matar. Rain. Matara or matar. Ta have fatha. Ha have fatha. Zahab. Zahaba. Zahaba. Gold. Matar. Rain. Matar. Airport. So this is the difference between phonics. You have to practice. Let's practice with me once again. Alam, katab, jamal, zahab, matar. Alam, katab, jamal, zahab, matar. You see the difference? But all these things need practice. Make practice. If you are still confused, comment me in the comment box. I will make a new video for you wherever you're confused. If you want to be pro, I give you a tip, and the tip is find the examples in the Holy Quran of this one alif and this one with fatha. It's long vowel, it's a short vowel. Find the difference and send me. I will check it free for you. Then you will learn it thoroughly. This you can find this video on my website. There is a page of this similar sounding letters. The link of that page is in the description box. Visit my site where you can find all this information in a written form. You can write and watch my video again and again to learn it. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you are learning with me, and I will make new videos for you so you learn the more difference between the more confusing letters with new words so you understand it. Assalamu alaikum.